Welcome back to my channel. This is a super short 5-minute stretching routine that you can do quickly in the morning or whenever you have time. I also have an additional routine you can add on. I will have a voiceover so you know which stretch to do next. Each stretch is about 30 seconds long, and I also have the stretches written on the screen. Let's get started with the routine. You will start in a lunge, and then you will straighten your legs. You will do this on the right and left side.
Your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too.
You're going to do a pike stretch standing and then on the floor.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
Next, you're going to go into a straddle. You're going to reach right, left, center, and then we'll do a butterfly.
You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and
Once in the butterfly, you'll push down on both legs and the left and right leg.
but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Next, you will do a standing split, a half split, and then you will do all your splits, right, left, and middle, to finish off this routine.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
I do have a second video that you can add on to this one if you would like a longer stretch. But this video is good to use if you just need a really quick leg stretch, and it's only 5 minutes long. Thanks for watching. Below is the recommended routine to use with this video.